Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, your host and host, your brother from another mother. Welcome to our show, Affiliate Uncle on Fire. Yes, you have heard that right. I'm your Affiliate Uncle, Pankaj Singh, and I once again welcome you to my show, Affiliate Uncle on Fire. So today in this episode, I'm gonna show you how to make money from Instagram stories. So if you don't know how to make money from Instagram stories, then watch this episode till the end, where I'm gonna show you exactly how you can make money using Instagram stories, right? But before telling this, I just want to say that, as you know, I have my own ebook that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. And in that ebook, I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step. And this book is available on Amazon. So if you want to get this book, you have to pay for that. But here I have deal for you. If you want to get this book for free, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe to my show. And once you do that, send me an email to my email address, that is pankja.singh@gmail.com, with the subject Affiliate Commission Secrets. And when I get your email, I will give you free access to read this book. Fair deal? Now, without any delay, let me show you how to make money from Instagram stories in your affiliate marketing business or in your Instagram affiliate marketing business. As you can see that this is my Instagram profile and this is my username. By the way, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, then I would request you please go and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Marketing with Pankaj Singh. Right now, when you are doing Instagram affiliate marketing business, very first thing that you have to do, you have to optimize your Instagram profile considering your affiliate marketing business. So as in my case, you can see that I have optimized my Instagram profile considering my affiliate marketing business or considering my niche. So if you haven't optimized your Instagram profile, then I would highly recommend you please go and optimize your Instagram profile. You can get the idea by seeing my Instagram profile. Got it? Now first, let me show you my Instagram stories. You can see that I was watching training on mindset done by my mentor, multimillionaire mentor. And what I did, I recorded the video and I share this video in my Instagram stories. Second thing, in the morning, I did a Zoom call with one of the student, and there I shared some tips and tricks. And again, I recorded the video and share it in my Instagram stories. Now, next story is, this is the free training done by my multi-millionaire mentor, where he is revealing how to go from $0 to $1 million selling digital products. And this training is absolutely free. I'm offering this training through my Instagram stories. So now, first thing that we have to understand, when we go with Instagram stories, first you have to understand this. Your Instagram story is kind of like your reality show. Yes, you have to treat it as a reality show where whatever you do on daily basis, you share it. You go for morning walk, you share. You watch any training, you share. You read any books, you make notes, you share in Instagram stories. Sometimes you ask question in your Instagram stories. And yes, sometimes you also promote your affiliate offer through your Instagram stories. As in my case, you might have noticed that I was offering who wants to watch free training where you will get to know how to go from $0 to $1 million selling digital products. So this is the free training that I am offering through my Instagram stories. Now, what is the purpose? Purpose is simple. I want my followers to know me, like me, and trust me. And you know that nobody gonna buy from you unless they know you, like you, and have trust on you. This is the sole purpose of sharing my content, or you can say documenting my journey through my Instagram stories. I just want to let my follower that they can get to know what I'm doing on my daily routine. And no doubt sometimes through my, you can say, stories, I share my results, I share some testimonials. If I make any commission, I share. in my Instagram stories. So that way I'm building the trust. And no doubt in one of my story, I offer my affiliate product. Now, whosoever comment on my stories where I'm offering free training, what I do, I approach to that very person and ask some questions just to know that whether he or she is my ideal prospect or not. And when I know that yes, he is my ideal prospect, then I give free access to watch this training. I never ever give access to someone who is not my ideal prospect, who is not my ideal customer. And how I do that? By asking some questions. There is script that is given by my multi-millionaire mentor. He has given a 7-figure script, sales script. So I use that script, and through that script, I get to know that yes, he is my ideal prospect and he is not. And whosoever is my ideal prospect, I give access to watch this training. So once he or she watch the training, I follow up with them and I ask them, hey, would you like to learn more about digital marketing business? If they say yes, then simply I offer them my coaching or my training that I am promoting as an affiliate. And if they buy my coaching or my training, I make money. And whosoever say that, hey, I haven't watched the training, I didn't get the time, I simply say, okay, no problem, please go and watch the training. And later on, I follow up with them. I ask them, hey, have you got the time to watch the training? They say, yes, I have watched the training. And I ask them, hey, would you like to learn more about digital marketing business? If they say yes, then simply same thing. I offer my coaching or I offer my training. If they say yes, I make money, right? And if they say, I don't want to go with digital marketing business, I simply say, okay, no problem. No problem, right? And one more thing, I never ever, you can say, promote anything that is not going to solve their problem. If I see that I can't help, I simply say, no, I can't help you. Someone else can help you because you want to do this thing or that thing. So I'm not expert into that specific thing. Yes, this guy is expert into that thing that you are looking for. So I guide them through that very person or through any other product. I guide them. Okay, you can go and watch that training. You can buy that product. If I think that yes, my product is not gonna help them to solve their problem, so you can say, redirect them to any other offer or to any other person. But overall idea is that I never ever misguide them. That's my, you can say, that's my principle. Got it? So that's how you make money using Instagram stories. So go and start sharing, start documenting your journey on Instagram stories. Whatever you do on daily basis, share it. Whether you are going for morning walk, share it. Whether you are doing meditation, share it. If you are learning anything new, share it. If you are watching any training, share it. And yes, in one of your posts, you can offer your product too or your training too. You can say that, hey, who wants free access to watch the training where you will get to know how to make $10,000 per month? Comment guide. So whosoever comment guide, you can approach to that very person, ask question, get to know that whether he or she is your ideal prospect or not. If you think that yes, he is your ideal prospect, simply offer your training and follow up with them. Ask them, hey, would you like to know more or would you like to join my program where you will get to know more about digital affiliate marketing business or online business, whatever product that you are promoting. So if they say yes, simply offer your coaching, offer your training or offer your affiliate product. If they buy, you will make money using Instagram stories. So that's how people are making money using Instagram stories. And that's how I'm making money using Instagram stories. Right? So now you know how to make money from Instagram stories. Yes, if you have any questions, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to help you. I will try my level best to answer you. And yes, if you want to read my ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets, then you know what you have to do. You have to like, share, and comment, and subscribe to my show. And once you do that, send me an email to my email address, that is pankja.singh@gmail.com, with the subject Affiliate Commission Secrets. And when I get your email, I will give you free access to read my book. Right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.